For me, it's going to be an anthem for all ladies. In this world that we live in right now, as ladies, we really should be very close to one another. We should not fight against one another. We should not look at each other and say, oh, I don't like her because she's doing this, or I don't like her because she's doing that. It should be that we should all get together and try to do something that would be for the betterment of all of us. So tonight I'm going to sing a song for you, and it's called Sister. If you like what you hear, I have about 4 or 5 copies, maybe a little bit more tonight, and you can definitely see me and get a copy from me. hope you enjoyed that. Thank you and have a happy new year. And now we're going to give it back to my